Hello guys, it's good to have you back. So this is a video on how to make sausage rolls. These sausage rolls are really soft and fluffy. So keep watching. If this is your first time on this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification for exciting weekly updates on baking. Add the egg, half cup of warm milk, half tablespoon of yeast. Using warm milk helps to activate the yeast. Add 30 grams of sugar, that's about 1.5 cup. Add 250 grams, which is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add half teaspoon of salt. Gently mix together. Then you get to a point where you just use your hands to mix it together and form it into a ball. Cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. So after resting for 10 minutes, add 48 grams of butter and mix it into it. So transfer the dough to a floured surface and knead it for about 15 minutes. Yes, that's a long time, but this helps the dough to make the dough elastic. But if you're using a stand mixer, you don't need to go through all this process of kneading for about 15 minutes. So now you can see how elastic the dough is. So the kneading process is really important. Apply oil to the bowl and place the dough in and let it rest for about 1 hour until it has doubled in size or almost. So after an hour, you can see the dough has increased in size and you can notice some air bubbles in it. So I'll just use my hands to punch out the air out. So divide the dough into 8 pieces because the recipe makes 8 sausage rolls. Form it into a ball. Gently pinch it in and rub it out. Roll it into a rope. Until you have the perfect length to go around the sausage. Gently tie it round the sausage. Then when you get to the end, just pinch it in and roll it out to smooth it. Line a baking pan and place the sausage rolls in it. Then let it rest for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, time to egg wash. For the egg wash, mix 1 egg with 2 tablespoons of milk. The milk helps to give it a good taste instead of just the eggy taste. Egg wash it and bake at 175 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until it's golden brown. Hope you enjoyed the video. I would like to know what you think in the comment section below. See you again next week.